My name's Nathan Johnston. I'm the Director of Johnston Electrical Services. My initial thoughts on the new Resi9 board was that it's an excellent product. They've got obviously a more robust board. It's a lot cleaner looking than obviously they've implemented a lot more space in the board, which is gonna streamline the process of us fitting off those boards, making it a lot easier. Having the Resi9 board as well as the breakers now means that we can have a final finish on the board. It means we're not chopping and changing two different brands. 90% of our jobs would have the data board and the switchboard side by side. So having them the same size, length and width means that basically they're going to look very symmetrical next to each other. So just finished the install of the new Resi9 board. It was a really good install. We had lots of space and it was really easy to work with the new design, creating a good, effective work process. Some of the nice features that were a part of the board, we've also got a clean finish, awesome neutral stud installation. We've got lots of space and obviously the robustness of the dim rail mount. We've got the rounded edges on the door and the versatility is switch the doors around so we can work with the design. If there's doors in the way or storage, we can swap those doors around to suit. The dust covers are a good idea, so obviously it's safeguarding us with our cables and the protection of the board for when other trades come in. It means that we have reassurance that everything's not going to get covered in paint and that we'll have a clean product to work with when we turn up. Resi9's allowing us to have that flexibility with the space in the board to offer our clients the capabilities of doing EV chargers, solar panels, and basically future-proof the home in advance, and we're not having to put a new product in later on. I think overall, PDL's done a really good job with the product. They've thought about and listened to all the electricians' advice on what we've given to them over the field trial process. They've basically put everything that we've all talked about into action, and it's nice to see that reflected in the product. We're really looking forward to installing Resi9 moving forward. I would absolutely recommend it to other electricians. I think if you're using other boards, you need to look at Resi9 and see what it can offer your company.